Hello everyone, I am Ghulam Abbas. I hope you guys are fine and doing great. In this video, I am going to show you how you can create a bootable USB of Windows 11 on Windows 10. So basically, you can have a look here that I have already downloaded the Windows 11 ISO, and simply to put it, I downloaded from Reddit. In other words, the download site, I mean the site where I downloaded, unfortunately, it got taken down due to privacy of the Windows. So basically I'll try to put the upload it in some other place and provide you with the download link. In the meantime, you may just go ahead download the wallpaper of the Windows 11. You can see that basically there are uh, four theme alongside the Windows 11. You can have a look here. This is the wallpaper for the uh, dark, not the light version of the theme, and then the wallpaper which you just saw, that was the wallpaper for the dark theme of the Windows 11. So this is basically the Windows 11 wallpaper. So in the meantime, to create a bootable USB of Windows 11, you have to basically attach a USB which should be at least 8 GB of RAM storage. You can say that my one is 16 GB. So in order to create a bootable USB, there are many methods. I am going to show you the simplest method you can ever find on the internet. So there is a small open source software called Fuse. Just simply go ahead, open its site, and then you have to download the portable version. You don't need even to install it on your computer. So you can have a look here. It is size is only 1.1 megabyte. Just simply click on it to download it on your computer. Okay, now the root fuse has been downloaded. So from here you can have a look here that you can choose the USB which is by default selected, and now just go ahead, choose the ISO of the Windows 11 which is basically located here, 21996. It is currently the latest version of the Windows 11 released on the market, although not released completely. I don't know how they got the ISO in the Reddit. How, basically how, I don't know how. Maybe I should find a method and show you that one. So you can just simply open it, and then here is the partition scheme, GPT or MBR. There's also the UEFI and then MBR. If I have to change the MBR, it will change basically to BIOS or UEFI CEM, which is basically legacy boot. And then here is the GPT, which will be the UEFI partition. So remember this, based on your computer BIOS, you have to choose your boot correctly. If it is an older version, you are using still the MBR partition master boot drive, you may have to choose the MBR. If that is graphic partition unit like GPT, you may choose GPT. So once everything is done, you may simply click start. Okay, and now it will take some time to copy the ISO of the Windows 11 inside the USB flash drive. Now we can see that it is renaming itself triple COMA. Okay, so it is going to take some time. In the meantime, when it is done, I will be back with you. Okay, now you can see the files have been copied, and somehow you can see the name is triple COMAX for F. Okay, so let's just simply close it, and this is how you can basically create a bootable USB of Windows 11 on your computer. So now just go ahead and restore your computer and start installing it on your PC. Till next time, have a nice time and goodbye.